May na-discover kami dito sa Poblacion, Makati. If you wanna try and looking for an authentic Japanese course meal na parang nasa Japan ka at VIP feels, try nyo dito sa Yakiniku Bakufu. Sa 4,000 per head, sulit nga ba? Kilala sila actually for their premium Wagyu course meal pero this time we just wanted to try their shabu-shabu standard course. Dito, isa sa nagustuhan ko, hindi overcrowded ang place, very cozy, malamig, hindi mainit. From start to finish ng course meal, the Japanese head chef himself is right here serving us. At sabay na rin explain ano yung mga sinaserve nila. So na-learn din namin yung Japanese way ng hot pot. For faster cooking and to keep the right temperature, ito yung ginagamit nila pagluto. Ang bilis lang niluto ha, pero ang sarap ha. We started with the appetizer, then followed with vegetable platter. Nagustuhan ko tong ponzu sauce nila. At syempre, this is the best part, the pork belly and pork shoulder. Grabe, so mouth-watering nito, manipis na yung pagkakat, pero so satisfying to eat. We also tried some noodles and for the dessert, the warabi mochi na sobrang sarap. For me, sa halagang 4K per head, sulit na. Kasi hindi lang pagkain ang binabayaran nyo dito, kundi the whole experience itself. Kung naghahanap ka ng private place serving authentic Japanese course meal, then this is it.